Okay. So, punta naman tayo sa derivative of a cosine function. So, sabi natin, the derivative or the formula for the derivative of a cosine function that is equal to negative of sine times u times i-derive rin natin yung du with respect to the variable. Okay? So, ito yung formula natin for derivative function. So, gagamitin natin siya to solve for some problems. Example, differentiate. Example, number 1, y is equal to cosine 1/2 x. Yan, cosine of 1/2 x. Okay? So, sabi natin, kukunin natin yung u natin dito, yun din yung u natin dyan. Okay? So, mangyayari, magiging dy over dx is equal to the derivative with respect to x of cosine 1/2 x. Okay, so yung u na natin dito is equal to 1/2 of x. Okay? So, derive natin to, du over dx. So, constant yan. Okay, anong derivative ng x? That is equal to 1. Okay? Or, kaya yan naging 1 kasi yung derivative ng x with respect to x, so pareha sila, kaya naging siyang equal sa 1 times 1, which is equal to 1/2 rin. So, this is now equal to, ang derivative ng cosine, sabi natin that is equal to negative sine times, ano yung u? That is 1/2 x times du over dx, which is equal to 1/2. Okay? Simplify natin to. So, that is now equal to 1/2 negative, yan may negative, sine of 1/2 x. So, ito na yung ating first derivative. Okay? So, ganyan tayo mag-differentiate ng cosine function. So, another example. Example number 2, find the derivative of y is equal to t squared cosine t. Okay. So, ito yung function natin. Y is equal to t squared cosine t. So, paano tayo mag-differentiate nito? So, using formula natin for the derivative of u times v. Kasi 'di ba this is multiplicative. Nagmo-multiply yung dalawa. Derivative yung u times v is equal to what? Ano yun? Kung naaalala, u dv plus v du. Okay? So, yan yung formula natin for multiplicative. So, kung with respect to function of x, ito with respect din to variable x natin. Okay? So, now, ang given problem natin is y is equal to t squared cosine t. So, we need to find the derivative of this one with respect to t. Therefore, kukunin rin natin ang derivative ng function natin with respect to t squared cosine t. So, dito mag-a-assign na tayo ng dalawa. Yung isa, ililet natin na u. Yung isa, ililet natin na v. Okay? So, kung ang u natin dito is t squared. Ano yung du over dt natin. Di ba that is equal to, chain rule, bababa tong 2 doon, dyan, bababa dyan, magmumultiply, times t raised to 2 minus 1 which is equal to 1. So, ito na yung du over dt natin. And if our v naman is the other function. Okay? Kasi ito na yung inassign natin na u. Therefore, yung natira, yun yung i-assign natin na v. So, our v naman dito, cosine t. Ano derivative ng cosine? So, dv over dt is equal to negative sine t times, i-derive pa natin itong t with respect dun sa t. So, di ba that is equal to 1? So, equal to 1 lang yan. So, therefore, our dv over dt is equal to negative sine t. Then, itong nakuha natin na du over dt and dv over dt, itong isa, ipa-plug in na natin siya dito sa formula natin. Okay? So, lagay natin sa formula. So, therefore, ang mangyayari, the derivative of y, which is equal to the derivative of this function, that is equal to u. Ano yung u natin? Ito. So, t squared times dv over dx o kaya yung dv over dt natin, which is ito, negative sine t. Okay? So, negative sine of t. Ito na yung dv over dt natin. Plus v. O ano yung v? Cosine. Cosine of t times du over dx or du over dt which is equal to 2t. Okay? So, yan ang dv over dx natin yung 2t. Ay, mali. Okay? So, therefore, our dy over dt, simplify na lang natin, that is equal to negative t squared sine t plus, unahin natin yung 2t cosine of t. Okay, i-rewrite na lang natin. Unahin natin to kasi positive. dy over dt is equal to 2t cosine of t minus t squared sine of t. So, yan ang derivative ng function natin. Okay, if you have any question, comment nyo na lang sa video. So, that's how we differentiate cosine function. Using the formula, derivative of a cosine function or cosine u, that is equal to the negative sine u du over dx.